Hello students, welcome back to all in the online session. Students, in today's class, we would like to accelerate as well as explore the meaning and sense of new poem, The Voice of the Rain. Right? This poem is composed by Walt Whitman. Students, before going in the deepest of the poem, we must know what is the meaning of the given title. Here the word is written, the voice of the rain. Particular word voice is being written here in the sense of response, sound, answer, reply, of the rain. In Hindi language we can say बारिश का उत्तर, बारिश का जवाब, बारिश क्या क्या जवाब देती है, बारिश क्या क्या उत्तर देती है, रिस्पॉन्ड करती है, किसको? पोएट को। इन चीज़ों को हम इसमें स्टडी करेंगे। पोएट नेम इज वॉल्ट विटमैन। एक्चुअली complete name is, exact name is Walter Whitman. Walter Whitman. This poem is derived from poem work of Walter Whitman, Outing. It was being published in 1885. There is the work of Walter Whitman. It is known as Outing. It was published in 1885. From there it has been taken. Students, I have mentioned here a single statement. It will act as a reference to understand the poem. Okay, so that I have mentioned here. Let's try to understand. Both rain and poetry hold a significant position, important position on the earth. Okay, here should be both rain and poetry hold a significant position. Here should be on the earth. On the earth. It means no doubt rain gives us pleasant. In the same way, poetry also provides, creates peace, happiness, pleasant to the human beings. You know, poetry consists figures of speech, literary device adorn the poetry, decorates the poetry. In this sense we can say it creates pleasant, it creates attraction. We can say rain and poetry is associated to each one, closely connected to each one. Poem and rain is connected to each one. In this sense, stanza is being given in your book. Now come, let's begin our stanza. From page number 41, NCERT book, Hornbill. And who art thou? Said I to the soft falling shower. Let's try to understand. And who art thou? The poem begins with an interrogative sentence, interrogative statement. And who art thou? This statement is being uttered by poet Walt Whitman. Once upon a time, he was trying to see closely to the rain and asked a question to the rain, that who are you? And who are you? It means art thou. Thou is known as here you. We can match it. Who are you? The poet asked a question to the rain, that who are you? There was communication between rain and poet. What he got there? What type of response he collected there? The poet tried to convey, try to share with all of us. Said I to the soft falling shower. Said I means Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman asked to the rain that who are you? Can you tell me your introduction? Can you reveal your activity here? I am unable to know about you. Kindly share all the activity, all the information about yourself. Such type of question has been asked by the poet to the rain. इस तरीके का प्रश्न पोएट ने रेन से, बारिश से, वर्षा की बूंदों से किया. Which strange to tell gave me an answer as here translated. Which strange to tell gave me an answer. The rain answered Walt Whitman, and it was very odd, very peculiar, and it is translated here. It is mentioned below. It means in the coming stanzas, in the coming statements line. What answer did he get? It is being mentioned in the coming statements. Now let's try to know what did the rain respond to Walt Whitman or Walter Whitman. Okay? The answer was given here. I am the poem of earth. I am the poem of earth. Why did rain said herself as poem? In the beginning of the class, just I explain you, poem gives pleasant happiness, peace to the human beings. In this sense, rain responded to Walt Whitman that I am the poem of earth, because I also gives, because I means rain, I is standing here for rain, because rain provides, rain gives pleasant happiness, each and everything to the human being. So that she responded there, I am the poem of earth. मैं इस अर्थ की, इस मदरलैंड की पोयम हूँ, कविता हूँ, because I adorn to the motherland. I quench the thirst of land. I try to awake, I make my effort to sprout the seed, so that I am the poem of earth. Said the voice of the rain. It was the response of, it was the answer of reply of rain to the Walt Whitman that the rain is the poem of earth. Eternal I rise impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea. It means Eternal I rise. The rain emerges, comes. Eternal, it means everlasting. Impalpable out of the land. A particular place which cannot be feel. A place which is unable to touch. And the bottomless sea. I emerge, it means the rain comes, rain rises, emerges from the bottomless sea, a particular place which cannot be touched, which cannot be feel. So many things are there that it is a very unique place. From there I come here. Here means land, motherland. Upward to heaven. Whence vaguely formed altogether, changed and yet the same. Upward to heaven, paradise, upward side, whence vaguely formed. When I try to take the shape, and the shape is not very clear, altogether changed and yet the same. At the same time, I try to take a particular shape, but it is not clear, and in the same time I change my shape, I change my form, but I am same. I means rain, and yet the same, it means I don't change my shape absolutely. जो मेरा आकार है, जो मेरा रूप है, जो मेरी एक्टिविटी है, ये पूरी तरीके से बदलती नहीं है. I hope all of you understood all these statements very clearly. Now come to the next line. I descend to leave the trots, atomize dust layers of the globe. I means rain. In the next line, next quote, the rain explained to itself that I descend to leave the trots. It comes down to leave the trots, to wash out the trots, to remove the trots, to quench the thirst of the earth, atomize dust layers of the globe. Second thing is mentioned here, atomize dust layer of the globe. It means I come here, the rain comes here to provide water, to wash the drops, to wash, atomize means small particles, tiny particles, dust layer of the globe, of the earth. Globe means a specimen of earth, it means land, and all that in them without me were seeds, and all that means small particles, tiny particles, dust layer, so many things in them means in the dust layer, without me, in absence of me, were seeds only. The seeds which have been sown in the land will not sprout in absence of me, only latent, unborn. They will be hidden there, they would not born, because in absence of me they could not get breathe, they could not get water. We can say in this way the rain helps to sprout the seeds on the earth, and the seeds become in the plant, and forever by day and night. It means continue. I give back life to my own origin. And forever, it means always, By day and night I give back life to my own origin. I try to provide life, strength, power, courage to all its origin, to all its product, and make pure and beautify it. At last she means rain also reply that make pure and beautify it. I make it purify. I make it very attractive, very adorned, beautiful. Next thing, for song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment wandering, reckoned or unreckoned duly with love returns. It means poet's reflection. Here is the reflection of poet upon the answer whatever he got from the rain, that in the sense of poet, according to the poet, that the rain gives pleasant, peace, happiness, each and every comfortable thing to the human being. In the same way, poetry also creates happiness, pleasant as well as peace to the human being. We can say it has a power, it has a strength to calm, to peace, to heal, rejuvenate, as well as transform and thrill. All these kinds of qualities deserve the rain. It means the rain deserves all these kind of qualities, so that it is being explained in the poem that the rain is the poem of earth. I hope all of you understood all these things very clearly. In case of any difficulties or doubt, feel easy to consult. Okay? Once again, let's try to summarize the poem. Once upon a time, poet asked a little question to the short falling raindrop, that who are you? After listening the question, the rain responded to the poet in very gentle tone, that I am the poem of earth. I am known here poem, because I try to provide calm, peace, rejuvenate each and everything. And listen, one more thing, that I come here from bottomless sea, very deep sea, eternal place, a place which cannot be touched. It means limitless place. Second thing, upward to heaven. I try to take a shape, but in the same time, I try to change my shape. Absolutely, resultantly, my shape is not being changed at all. I am quite same. Next thing, the rain also adds that I come here to provide the life to the seeds, to the human being, to the earth, to the dust layers. I means rain comes here to wash out the droughts, to quench the thirst of land, to create the greenery on the land. In the last of the poem, it is being mentioned that there is no meaning, there is no sense of what we think about the rain. It comes in very happy mood, and after completing its task, its natural task, it goes back. Okay, I hope It is very clear now to everybody. Thank you. Have a nice day.